So hi, hello and welcome. Now we are going to discuss about an important online conversation tool, what is called Padlet. So for going to the page Padlet, you have to go to the website padlet.com. So since I have an account, I can go to Padlet login. So this is login to Padlet. So if you are getting installed first time, you have to go to sign up for Padlet. So once Padlet is signing up with the help of your Gmail or Google account, you can make into the Padlet for your online conversation. So it is very difficult for a teachers to converse with the students on online interaction. Face to face is very difficult. That is why online interaction tool Padlet is being launched by the very good applications. So once you have logged in, the page will be available like this. There are three important options. The one is make a Padlet, the second one is joining a Padlet, and the third one is gallery. So out of these three things, make a Padlet is very much important for a teacher to use his or her own Padlet. Let's see, just you can go to make a Padlet. For example, if I click that, Padlet will ask you to go for a particular plan. So since I do not have any plan at the moment, just let me go and explain you with the help of the Padlet which I already been prepared. For instance, the Padlet which I already prepared is opening like this. So this is a wall, but let me tell you, here this is the cursor. When you place your cursor over here, a different tab will be available to you to make use of or modifying the Padlet. So this is the modifying option will come. So now you can give a title to your Padlet. Title is FDP, and some descriptions for about 1 to 2 lines can be given. Online conversation tool, online conversation tool tutorial, some explanation you can give, and by clicking here you will be serving a lot of icon which you can select any one of these which is available here. So lot of icons are available. So based on the icon available, you can choose anything else you want. For example, let me choose this one. Can come back. You can come back, then go to wallpaper. For example, there is a different types of wall. If I go to just a solid color, different colors also will be available. So if I choose this green color, that color will appear. So this is blue. Like that, many different solid colors will be available. If you do not want to solid color, you can go for even texture pattern also. So like that, by gradients, so I have chosen this color particularly, or this one. So after selecting these things, you can come back, and here very important thing, there is an option called attribution. Why it is very important? Once you have clicked the attribution alone, you will be knowing that who are all the participants are posting to you, and what is their name, the identity of the participant can be well recognized through this type of attributions. After clicking attributions, this is required approval. The teacher cannot require, students cannot require approval for every time. If they really want to require approvals, you can go for this. Otherwise, this is not essential. This is not essential. So after moving everything, you can go for save. After saving this, you can come back. Now your wall is appeared like this. So once this wall is there, if you place a cursor anywhere and make a double click, a new conversation technique will be available. For example, title. If you want to, what is MOOC? What is MOOC, you are asking. So this can be after these things. If you place, if you want to give some particular web link, or if you want to insert something from Google, or if you want to capture a photo, or if you want to upload any file, everything is possible from here. So once you make an entry, that particular post always is readily available to all the respective students. So once you click everywhere in the form, there will be an options. Once the students are answering, so how to make the students to answer? For example, after making some questions, or after posting some question, here I want to what is CEC. So after going everything, now I want to share this particular things. So there are different sharing options, but getting web link and getting QR code is very good option for. So there are plenty number of options for sharing. The one is copy web link address. So this web link address can be served through different things. If you want to get QR code, the QR code also will be generated. So by the different way, the joining code, QR code or email, everything can be getting obtained, and just it can be served to the participant in order to join. So this is how we have to make a join. For instance, let me copy that particular link. Now I am going here. An option is join a Padlet. So when there is a joining a Padlet, you can place that particular web link. Suppose if you have generated QR code, here QR code scanning is appeared. So what type of sharing option you are getting by making a Padlet, the same option will be opening here in joining a Padlet. Now let me submit. So by this step, just I will be joining in the Padlet, so I can answer to that question. Now a wall is appeared to me. Now you can consider that he is a teacher just who is hosting the tool, but I am a learner here. So this is host, I mean teacher's wall, and this is a student wall. So after this thing, student wall is open. Now you can make a cursor. Just you go to right click, and if you want to edit a post, send, everything can be done. Now I can give an answer. MOOC stands for like that. After typing that, I also can make a movement. So it also can be very well arranged anywhere. So this it can be, and another Consortium for Educational Communication. After typing over here, just I am taking these things according to so like that it can be rearranged. So based on that, n number of conversation with the image, file, different types of uploading, and a direct link from the Google. So all types of options. This is how the teacher and students both can make use of make a Padlet and join a Padlet. So I hope that Padlet will be very much helpful to you.